Here's a beautiful 201K that I just acquired. I just love these. They're just gorgeous. Anyway, this one's a little dirty, so please forgive throughout the video, but we're going to move on now and we're going to go into the threading of it. So it goes in this way, and when you do the thread, it's going to come up there, and then you put it in there, bring it right down to there and across, and shut the case pretty much. So just shut it to there. This is the next part, the thread to here, to in between the discs, underneath this, and up here, and you must go over that hook. See that hook? That's everything. And then that thread sits there under that wire. Then we go to there, and then to there, and then we go to here, and then there's another little one there too, and it threads from right to left. Okay, and this is just lovely. Listen to this. Listen to that noise. Isn't that great? Let's have a look closer. Oh, look at it. Isn't that great? And that stitch, that's looking really nice. Look how beautiful the stitch is. So good either side. And I'd really appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.